Alright, this is the video of a 2007 Mitsubishi Endeavor with 195,000 miles on it. I got this thing cheap from my buddy because it sounds like it's got a rod knocking, but I've seen several videos where it's the timing belt tensioner, the hydraulic belt tensioner that's gone bad, and it causes almost the identical same racket, but mine seems to have more of a metallic ping to it. So you guys take a look here and see what you think. I'll give it a little gas now. See, my thought is because the banging and the pinging and the knocking isn't constant. It doesn't make the same pattern all the time. That I'm hoping it's the belt tensioner because it's got 195,000 on it and it's never been changed.